Hi, sunshine. You gonna smile? Look at the legs.
Yeah, I know.
Look at your legs. Talk to your daddy. I know you're so excited. I just love it. Those little legs go in the air. You're such a sunshine. You're such a nice... Tell us. What do you want to do? Huh? Do you want to go shopping at Stony Point? Huh? Are you gonna sing at your next music together?
I know.
That little boy was cute. That was 20 months old, wasn't he? I know he was so cute, wasn't he? He was your friend, wasn't he? Was he your friend?
Benjamin.
Benjamin was cute. Benjamin had neat shoes on.
I know.
Are you excited? I know you are, aren't you?